When it comes to making development happen, the Urban Development Corporation UDC is on the ball. When it's time to lend a helping hand, you can always count on the UDC. And most importantly, the UDC never forgets to give thanks for their success. That's why for 50 strong years, they are still standing tall.
May the footprints that we leave them to believe, and the lives we live inspire them to obey.
On April 15, the UDC commemorated its golden anniversary at the Kingston Parish Church under the theme GLOW, an acronym for Growth, Love, Opportunities and Wealth.
Renew the board, management, staff, and other stakeholders, that they may recommit themselves this day to the cause for which the corporation was established.
The UDC's journey started on March 21, 1968, by an Act of Parliament commissioning the organization to lead transformational development across the island. This foresight was the vision of former Prime Minister the Most Honorable Edward Seaga, whose message was read by UDC's General Manager Dr. Damon Graham.
The UDC did not let me down, as no private investment group at the time would have been able to handle the huge project, and I safely say 50 years onwards that we would be hard-pressed to find such a multidisciplinary cadre of skilled persons to do what the institution is still doing.
Undoubtedly, our UDC can be regarded as an iconic organization in Jamaica.
It has impacted Jamaica greatly. A lot of persons are being employed or have been employed.
I went to UDC as a, what they call accountant. I went up in the accounting ranks, and because of the diversity of UDC, I was able to be promoted to a manager.
When you consider our current mantra, which is GLOW, growth, love, opportunities and wealth, I think all those have somewhat impacted my life, and I'm thankful.
Having laid the foundation over the past 50 years, the UDC is continuing with major projects in town centers. Works include the rehabilitation of groins and development of closed harbor beach in Montego Bay. For Ocherius, infrastructure upgrade will include connecting boardwalks from the pier to Ocherius Bay Beach. Meanwhile, the downtown Kingston redevelopment plan is taking shape, with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Grace Kennedy buildings now far advanced. There is also the plan to build out the National Heroes Park and the latest plans for the development of a third city.
The time ahead of us holds exciting prospects for continuity in infrastructure upgrade.
We're even more enthused about UDC's role as a catalyst for growth for the next 50 years.
The Urban Development Corporation has had a major impact on Jamaica's development since independence.
As part of a year-long celebration, a staff event was also held at the Festival Marketplace in downtown Kingston.
Congratulations, UDC, on achieving 50 years of development.
I believe that it is a wonderful time to remember the efforts of all our stakeholders and associates, and to say thank you to the staff of the UDC throughout Jamaica.
The role of the UDC will continue to be a major role in taking Kingston and the other cities in Jamaica to a grand and new era.
The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen for you. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 876-656-8031 or visit their website at www.udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.